My child, if you're seeing this message today, pause for a moment. Do not scroll away, because this message did not appear in your life by accident. Something unusual is happening right now, something that may change the direction of your life in a way you never expected. You may not fully understand it yet. You may not see the signs clearly, but something behind the scenes is beginning to move. A miracle is closer than you think. And the most surprising part is that it may arrive in a way you never imagined. My child, many people believe miracles happen suddenly without warning. But the truth is that miracles often arrive after a season that feels confusing. A season where nothing seems to make sense. A season where doors close, plans fail, and the path ahead feels uncertain. You may have been walking through such a season recently. You may have prayed for guidance. You may have asked for answers. You may have wondered if anyone was listening. But I want you to understand something today. Your prayers were never ignored. Every moment of struggle, every moment of waiting, every moment when you felt like giving up was part of something much larger than you could see. Because before a miracle appears in someone's life, preparation begins. And preparation often looks like delay. My child, I know there were moments when you questioned everything. Moments when life felt unfair. Moments when you saw others moving forward while you remained stuck. You may have thought, why is my path so difficult? Why do opportunities seem to pass me by? Why does progress feel so slow? These thoughts are natural, but what you did not realize is that struggle often carries hidden purpose. During difficult seasons, something important begins to develop inside you. Strength, patience, wisdom. These qualities cannot grow easily during comfortable times. They grow when life challenges you. They grow when you must keep moving forward even when the path is unclear. And my child, those qualities are preparing you for something greater. Because when blessings arrive without preparation, they can easily disappear. But when blessings arrive after growth, they become sustainable. They become stable. They become something that can last. There's a reason your life has followed this path. A reason you face challenges that others did not understand. A reason the journey sometimes felt lonely. It is because your story is being shaped. Every challenge you experienced taught you something valuable. Perhaps it taught you resilience. Perhaps it taught you discipline. Perhaps it taught you to look at life from a deeper perspective. And these lessons are not random. They are building a foundation. Just like a builder prepares the ground before constructing a house. Your life has been preparing the foundation for something new, something unexpected, something that may surprise even you. But before that moment arrives, there is something you must recognize. There are signs that appear before miracles. Quiet signs, subtle signs, signs that many people overlook. And my child, some of those signs may already be appearing in your life. Before a miracle appears, there's often a test. Not a test designed to harm you, but a test designed to reveal something about you. It reveals your patience, your discipline, your willingness to grow. For example, you may have noticed that recently life has been asking more from you. More responsibility, more decisions, more challenges. These moments can feel overwhelming, but they are also opportunities. Opportunities to demonstrate the strength you have developed, because the way you respond to challenges determines the direction of your future. When someone continues moving forward despite uncertainty, they begin attracting new opportunities. And opportunities are often the doorway through which miracles arrive. My child, when a miracle is approaching, certain signs begin to appear. The first sign is awareness. You begin thinking differently about your life. You begin questioning old habits. You begin searching for new possibilities. The second sign is new ideas. Ideas about things you could build, skills you could develop, paths you could explore. These ideas may seem small, but they carry powerful potential. The The third sign is unexpected connections. People entering your life at the right moment. Conversations that inspire new direction. Encouragement that appears exactly when you need it. These signs are not random. They are signals that something is aligning behind the scenes. One of the most powerful moments in life is when your thinking begins to change. Instead of focusing on limitations, you begin focusing on possibilities. Instead of waiting for life to change, you begin changing the way you approach life. This mindset shift is often the turning point, because when your mindset evolves, your actions evolve, your decisions evolve, and eventually your circumstances evolve. My child, transformation does not happen overnight, but every step you take toward growth creates momentum, and momentum leads to progress. Here is a truth many people do not expect. Miracles rarely arrive in predictable ways. Sometimes they appear as opportunities. Sometimes they appear as new relationships. Sometimes they appear as ideas that lead to unexpected success. And when they arrive, people often look back and realize something surprising. The miracle had been forming for a long time. It had been building quietly behind the scenes, preparing itself to enter their lives at the right moment. My child, the blessing that surprises you the most may be the one that changes your life the most. Remember this. Miracles often appear when people are closest to giving up, when the journey feels longest, when the waiting feels endless. That is often the moment when life begins to shift. So do not lose faith. Do not assume that your story is finished, because the next chapter of your life may contain the miracle you have been waiting for. And my child, that miracle may be closer than you think. If you are watching this message, it may not be a coincidence. Subscribe to God Says Forever and comment Amen if you believe God is about to surprise you with a miracle